Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, Influenster likes me again. They have sent me 2 of Voxboxes. How do I receive Voxboxes? I support my fellow influencers. I don't know how to say it, y'all. I support everybody. I get on Influencer and I like their post. I comment on their posts. I thank them for their reviews, especially when they're honest, true reviews. And then I do my snap. And then I receive stuff by doing their surveys that they send me. And then they give me an email saying, hey, surprise, you're going to get this. Y'all, I believe this one's supposed to be Prada. I'm super excited about it. And the other one, I've already been doing a review on. Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned if you want to see what's in my Voxboxes. All right, my loves. Welcome to Sunny's Place. Make sure you're subscribed, especially if you want to be entered into my giveaways. Make sure your notifications bell is on so you'll know when those giveaways happen. We are going to be opening up our Voxboxes from Influenster. As you heard from the spill, how to get on to do the Voxboxes, how to receive them. Sometimes it's just the luck of the draw, y'all. You can do all the work and they still don't pick you to receive them. Over a year, I didn't receive anything from them. And then all of a sudden, I did start receiving them. So, first one we're going to do is this Clinique one that I received. I know that Influencer has been harassing me to get my review up. But, y'all, I want to do true reviews. I want to be honest about it. This one is the Clinique Smart, what's it called? Smart Clinical Repair. So, this one is supposed to help repair, let's get this out of the way, the dermal skin layer, which is, I believe it's below the epidermis and above the sebaceous skin. It's the skin layer. You have 3 layers of skin. It's the skin layer that's in between the both of those that binds it all together. It's like the muscles for the skin. It's got all your blood vessels, all your bondings, all it's the tissue. It's the muscle of all the skin. So, this is what Influencer sent me. This tiny little jar. It's just for under the eye area. Now, it's supposed to help get rid of crepiness and crow's feet. Well, we're going to get up and close and personal. No, I haven't been using this for a full 28 days. But you guys, I have been using it for 13. And, I got nothing. I got a great moisturizer. Let's get up and close and personal for you guys, okay? You ready? Here we go. Look. Still crepey. Still going. Look. It's still there. So, I don't really have a difference. I mean, maybe I need to use it a full 28 days, but I would have had to receive enough to do a full 28-day review. There was a very pleasant light sent with this. Not a video, Sunny hasn't dropped something, y'all. It's on the floor. Y'all don't need to see anymore. Pretty little purple container. Now, it is $72 for 50 milliliters of that, you guys. It's 86% say crow's feet look reduce. 89% says eyes look less crepey. Well, I'm not in either one of those because it didn't do anything. It was a great moisturizer. That's all I got. Sorry, Clinique. I know this is your new release, your Clinique Smart Eye release. There was a lot of moisture going on. Like, my skin did feel moisturized. Like, up underneath here, yeah, felt a lot more moisturized. Oh, I also put a little bit up in here because I also get really dry in there, so it's just normal for me to go like that. So, you guys, I don't know if I didn't have enough to use it for the full 28 days, and you've got to use it for full 28 days to see your result because that's when your skin regenerates, every 28 days. But, you guys, just a great moisturizer. I'm not going to spend $72 on it, though. I've got lots of great moisturizers. Thank you so much, Clinique, and thank you so much, Influencer. All right, guys. I think this one's the product, and it's a really light box, so I don't think it is a full-size item, unfortunately. I did say I would accept samples But I really hope this is a full-size item, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's Prada! Who doesn't want a full-size Prada item? Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better, you guys. Here it is. It is a men's cologne, which I knew it was going to be. It's called Luna Rosa Carbon. A seductive masculine fragrance inspired by the collision of nature and technology. Just like my man. A modern fougere, this scent features energetic notes of lavender, green bergamot from Italy, radiant woody notes of patchouli, and dry amber of abroxan. This is what it is, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh, it's not even a travel size, you guys. It is a sample. A sample. That's it. It's Prada, though. Which, I'm not going to lie, y'all. A lot of the name, like, big dollar name brands that I've received, Versace, Gucci, blah, 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 I don't like the smell of them. I just don't. So, I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Prada smells amazing. And then hope Jimmy likes it if it does. So, let's do this. Oh. Oh my, you guys. So, it's definitely a naturey, woody scent. I definitely smell amber. I don't smell any lavender. What is that? Vermont? What did that say? Patchouli and bergamot. Green bergamot. Oh, I love this. Oh, that smells fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Now, for my research, you guys, $73 was the cheapest bottle I could find. Oh, but it smells so good. And colognes last a long time. Full-size colognes or full-size perfume bottles last a long time in this household. I mean, we don't do a lot to where we go outside and need to smell good. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I'd love it if Jimmy would wear this. Oh, yeah. Almost dropped it. I got it. All right, guys. That is all for my Voxboxes from Influenster. We got our Clinique, what's it called? Clinique Smart Clinical Repair. That was supposed to help with crow's feet and crepiness, which all it did for me was a great moisturizer. And then we got our sample bottle of Prada. All right, you guys, that is all. Make sure you do your snaps. Make sure you support your fellow influencers. Y'all, that's what it's about. Promote other people. Be proud of their success. Help them along their journey. All right, loves, that is all for my Influencer Voxboxes. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed the Prada a lot. That smells super, super good, y'all. All right, loves, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.